In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off hosting a website in just 5 minutes. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process smoothly and efficiently, making sure you have all the information you need to complete the task. Whether you're taking a break from running your site or ensuring it's safely offline while you make updates, these instructions will help you achieve that quickly. To begin, you need to go to the Hostinger website. Simply open your preferred web browser and enter hostinger.com in the address bar. This will take you to the Hostinger homepage where you can start the process. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the page and you'll see the Login button. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to the Hostinger control panel, also known as the H panel. This is your main hub for managing all aspects related to your hosting account. On this panel, you'll find an option labeled Hosting. Click on it to see a list of all the websites associated with your account. When you spot the website you wish to turn off, locate the Manage button, which you'll find right next to it. By clicking on Manage, you're opening the settings and options specific to that website. This will direct you to a new page where various configurations can be adjusted. Now on the Manage page, direct your attention to the section titled Advanced. This section houses a suite of more technical options for your site. Locate and click the Advanced menu to continue the process. Within the advanced settings, you'll find the option for password protect directories. This is a powerful feature that allows you to restrict access to your website easily. Go ahead and click on password protect directories, which will open up further options. Next, to ensure that your website is inaccessible, you'll need to set a password to limit access. Click on the option that states set a password to limit access to your website or parts of it. This will guide you through setting up a password that effectively locks your site from public view until you're ready to make it accessible again. Once you've set your password, the final step is to activate the protection. You'll see a Protect button. Click on Protect to finalize the process. This immediately activates the password protection on your website, effectively turning it off to the public or anyone who does not have the password. And there you have it. Now your Hostinger website has been successfully put in a protected state. Whenever you're ready to put your site back online, simply remove the password protection following similar steps. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and be sure to reach out if you run into any issues or have further questions about managing your website.